In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Microsoft Teams chat history permanently. If you've been using Microsoft Teams for any length of time, you know how quickly conversations can pile up. Whether you're aiming for a fresh start with your chat history or simply want to declutter your space for better organization, permanently clearing your chat can help you achieve that. Let's dive right into the steps. Firstly, it's important to remember that Microsoft Teams doesn't allow you to directly delete chat history with a simple click. Instead, you'll need to delete each message individually to achieve a similar effect. Open the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or browser by navigating to your chat section. This is where all of your current and past conversations are listed. Identify the conversation you want to manage and click to open that specific chat. Within the conversation, move your cursor to the message you want to delete. As you hover over the message, you should see a row of icons appear. Look for the small three-dot icon, often referred to as More Options. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, there will be an option labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on this, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision to delete the message. Remember, once you confirm, this action cannot be undone, so be sure that you really want to permanently remove this piece of conversation. Repeat these steps for each message you want to be cleared from your chat history. While this can be time-consuming, it's currently the only method provided by Microsoft Teams for removing chat history. Keep in mind, the individuals on the other side of the conversation may still have access to the messages unless they've also opted to delete them. Microsoft Teams is designed to preserve collaboration, and thus removing messages entirely from all parties is not straightforward. As a tip, if you find yourself needing to clear chats frequently, consider setting guidelines for your conversation spaces. Encouraging the use of threads and minimizing unnecessary messages can help keep your chat history cleaner from the start. Lastly, for continued privacy, remember that while you've deleted individual messages, some remnants might still be backed up in channel history or related services depending on the organizational policies of your workplace. Always verify with your IT department if you're concerned about data privacy and storage retention policies that may be in place. So, now you're armed with the knowledge to go ahead and manage your Microsoft Teams chats. It might seem tedious to clear chats one message at a time, but starting with organized practices can reduce this need in the future. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Teams efficiently.